Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
In this lesson, we are going to learn how to properly size our work. So we are just going to go to our File Explorer. We are going to go down and pull our file in that we want. Just going to pull it in there and drop it. Close out of this window. Now that we have our file in here, we are going to make sure that the lock aspect ratio button here is clicked. And that is going to lock that so that when you pull on the corners, it's going to keep that image, whatever you're working on, proportionate. If you do not have this ticked, it will let you distort the image in all sorts of ugly ways. So let's just make sure that that's ticked. Let's say that we want to cut this monogram out at 12 inches wide. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the width, just change that to 12 inches. And that's all there is to that. Now it will tell you that if you size it 12 inches wide, it's going to make it 8.806 high. Or if you want to make it 12 inches high, it's going to end up being 16.35 wide. In a previous lesson, we learned how to set our defaults for our storyboard here. Mine is 24 inch by 24 inch. If you haven't watched that video, I would suggest you go up there and watch that. Set your defaults because it's super annoying to have to change that every time you open up Inkscape. Let's move on to the next lesson.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready to cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.